Hi friends, today we are going to start composing numbers. And at the end of the day, you are going to be able to compose numbers up to 120. Now you might remember learning about how to compose numbers, but what does it mean to compose? What is that word? To compose numbers means that we are putting parts together to make or build the total amount. So I want you to think about a bulldozer. You might have seen these outside if there's construction. Construction workers use bulldozers to push soil and rocks when they're building roads. Just like bulldozers make roads by pushing soil and rocks, when we are composing numbers, we have parts of numbers that we are pushing together to make a total amount. Let's look at our first example. Looking at this amount right here, I can see that this number is composed of tens and ones, two place values. I see that the tens blocks here, there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens blocks. I also notice that my ones, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones cubes. So I have 3 tens and 5 ones. 3 tens and 5 ones is 35. 35 is composed of 3 tens and 5 ones. We took the tens and the ones of this amount and pushed them together to make our total. Let's look at another example of how to compose an amount. This example right here, I can see that I have 2 place values, tens and ones, tens blocks and ones cubes. Now let's count how many tens blocks I have. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tens blocks. And let's count how many ones cubes I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones cubes. So I have 6 tens and 4 ones in this amount. 6 tens and 4 ones is 64. And 64 is composed of 6 tens and 4 ones. We took the tens and the ones of this amount, pushed them together, and made the amount of 64. Let's look at one last example. This time, I don't see 2 place values. I see 3. Do you see 3 as well? Yeah, I see hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's count how many hundreds blocks we have here. 1. How many tens blocks do I have here? Show me with your fingers. That's right, 1, 2. 2 tens blocks. And how many ones cubes do I have? Right, 1, 2. I have 1 hundreds block, 2 tens, and 2 ones. 1 hundreds, 2 tens, and 2 ones equals what number? That's right, 122. And 122 is composed of 1 hundreds block, 2 tens, and 2 ones. We used our place value to combine our place values of each number and made it into a whole. So remember, when we're composing numbers, we're remembering what a bulldozer does. Construction workers use a bulldozer to build roads. It pushes sand and rocks together when they're building it. When we're composing numbers, we are pushing parts of a number together to make the total amount.